that? What's the matter? Hmm? You like this rug too? Just like Lauren. Oh, yeah. You can knit in it, can't you? Yeah. See, Caden's so jealous. He's like, what is that? Who is that? My mommy. You're supposed to videotape me. Oh. See? What do you want? Come here. Come here. Come here. Caden, step up. Come on, birdie. Come on. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. What you want? Caden. What? Come on, pretty bird. Meow. Oh, he's gonna fall. What you doing? Oh, you look like the Lisa Frank. This is Lisa Frank kitty. Hunter. That's what she should name you, Hunter. You gonna hunt birds? Say, but no eating them, huh? No. No eating the birds. What you doing back there? What you doing back there? Okay. What you gonna do, Hunter? Should we call you Hunter? Say, what kind of name is Charlie? Charlie? We're gonna call you Hunter. Yeah, you're a Lisa Frank Hunter. Yeah. What, you want scratches? Oh, yes you do. So does Kate. You want scratches? Meow. Meow. Oh, yeah. Harder. You like it right between your eyes, don't you? Yeah. What? Make sure. You got ear mites, maybe? Is that why you don't like that? Where you at? Hey, too close. Too close. I can't see. Okay, gotta stop.